Comidor is mainly a collaboration platform, but apart from collaboration tools, as we have seen here, you can also have some extra applications, which we call extra modules, and these are the CRM, the Customer Relationship Management, the Project Management, and the Finance. The Customer Relationship Management has the following application: campaigns, opportunities, and products catalog. In the products catalog, you can of course create a list of your products, and you can add some pricing features in them. In the campaigns, it's actually you can send mass emails to a selected group of email recipients that you have selected from your contacts, and you can create a campaign. So for example, this campaign, as you can see, you can press start and you can select the name of the campaign, from which email it will be sent, what will be the subject, and you can even have a template. So in this case it goes to Germany, but if I want to send it to another country, I will simply change Italy and press send. We also have the opportunity. So opportunity is actually a customer, which is an account which is not yet a customer. So here you can have like an estimation of possibility of success, target turnover, things like that. Apart from the CRM, we have also the project management. In project management, you can run like a large project in terms of time, like a 1 year or 2 year project, or you can run a very fast project, which is like a small one, which is like for 1 or 2 days. In terms of size, you can have projects which are large with many people participating in it, or just for yourself. As you can see, the build a house, which is an example of our project here. You can have burn down diagrams, you can have milestones, you can have some requirements added, you can have deliverables, which are then connected with a document from your document management system, and of course you can have your Gantt chart, where the project manager actually plans, as you can see here, the schedule, the plan of the project, and during the running of the project you can see also the actual progress of the project. So for example, the contract is very much delayed. By clicking inside and selecting this small block of the project, I can assign resources, I can assign to a team, set deliverables, requirements, and the most important thing is I can use the model of echo model that we have in Comidor, where you actually assign something to a group, and the group leader then he can assign and delegate the work to the people in his group with tasks. And here the team leader can actually see the progress of these tasks, which have been done, which have finished, which are in progress, and which are about to be done. Of course, every time that a small task has been completed, as you can see here, the estimated hours is accumulated to the workload and goes back to the Gantt chart. A little bit about the finance. The finance, as you can see here, you can have some transactions, and actually you can have graphical analysis of the transactions. You can have a balance and cash flows, income and expenses. So these are actually the 3 main modules of Comidor, but we have one extra fourth, which is the business intelligence. So every business intelligence is not an independent module. It's actually embedded in any table of list of records. So for example here, as you can see in the budgeting, it's better to go to the accounts. So I can see the accounts and I can have a graphical analysis of all the accounts, or I can have analytics, which means that a person can create his own custom query simply by selecting new view and dragging and dropping the fields that he wants to create his new query. As you can see, this is the query that I have just created. Of course, you can save it and you can filter it and you can have it for later reference.